Hello students, in the previous video we have discussed the addition of algebraic expressions. But today we will start subtraction of algebraic expressions. Okay. In the same way like addition, there were two methods for addition of algebraic expressions, that is column and grouping method. In subtraction we also use these two methods, addition, column and grouping method. Column method and grouping method. First is column method. There are some steps in column method. First is arrange the terms in alphabetical order. First of all, we will arrange the terms of algebraic expression in alphabetical order. Then next is write like terms in columns. Then we will write the like terms in columns. Then we will change the sign of second expression. We will change the sign of only second expression. Then combine the like terms. Then we will subtract the like terms. These steps are same as steps used in column method in addition, but there is difference in one step. There is one more step in subtraction, that is change the sign of second expression. So this step is very important. There is an example: subtract 4ab minus b square from a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then first of all we will write a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is first expression, and second is 4ab minus b square. There is no term containing a square in second expression, so we will leave its place. This place will be leave. Then there is 4ab, then we will write 4ab below minus 2ab, and there is minus b square. Minus b square will be written below plus b square. Then we will change the signs of second expression. The second expression is 4ab minus b square. Here 4ab is positive, so change it as negative. We will change this positive sign into negative sign, and b square is of negative, then change it into positive. Change b square into positive. So now sign of 4ab is minus and sign of this b square is plus. Okay. Now combine these like terms. There is only a square. There is only a square in this column, so write here a square. And in the next column there is minus 2ab and there is minus 4ab. 4ab is of minus sign, so minus 2ab and minus 4ab. Minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. Then this is minus 6ab. Then in the next column there is plus b square and plus b square. B square plus b square is 2b square. So write here 2b square. Write here 2b square. Remember one thing, that these signs will be used. Now these signs will be used for second expression. This minus sign will not be used for second expression. Here b square is of positive. Now b square has plus sign. So take these signs. Take these signs for second expression. So the answer is a square minus 6ab plus 2b square. Next is grouping method. In grouping method there are some steps. First is arrange each expression horizontally in brackets. First of all we will arrange these two expressions horizontally by using brackets with the minus sign between them. In addition we have used plus sign, but in subtraction we will use minus sign. Then second is remove brackets. Now we will remove the brackets and change the sign of each term in second expression. And here we will change the sign of each term in second expression. Then third is put the like terms together. Then fourth is combine the like terms. These steps are same as the steps we have used in addition, but there is one thing extra in subtraction, that is change the sign of each term. Change the sign of each term in second expression. Now we will solve an example by using grouping method. Subtract 15x plus 15x square from 18 minus 5x plus 7x square. First expression is this 18 minus 5x plus 7x square. So write it in one bracket, and then next expression is 15x plus 15x square. So write it in another bracket, and we will use minus sign between these brackets. We will use minus sign between these brackets. Now in the next step we will open the brackets, remove these brackets. First expression will be written as it is 18 minus 5x plus 7x square, and then signs will be changed of second expression. Second expression is 15x plus 15x square, and we will change its signs. The sign of 15x is positive. Sign of 15x is positive, so it will be changed into negative sign. And then 15x square is also has positive sign, then it will be changed into negative sign. So it will be written that minus 15x square. And in next step we will combine the like terms. There is 18, this is a constant, and there is no constant in second expression. So write here 18, then next is minus 5x, its like term is 15x. Like term of minus 5x is minus 15x. So write them together, minus 5x minus 15x. Then next is 7x square and minus 15x square. These are like terms. So write them here, 7x square minus 15x square. Now subtract them. 18 will be written as it is because there is no another constant. Then minus 5x minus 15x. Minus 5 minus 15. Minus 5 minus 15 is minus 20. So we will write here minus 20x. Then plus 7x square minus 15x square. Plus 7 minus 15. Then it will be equal to minus 8. It will be minus 8. So write here minus 8x square. Minus 8x square. So this is the answer, 18 minus 20x minus 8x square. Then there is one more example. Simplify 3x minus 4y. Simplify 3x minus 4y minus 3x minus 2y minus x minus z minus x minus 2y. There are three brackets used. Square bracket, this is a square bracket, this is a curly bracket, and next is round bracket. This is a round bracket. But actually in mathematics there are four types of brackets. First is bar bracket, then next is round bracket, next is curly bracket, and the last one is square bracket. The smallest bracket is bar bracket. If it is written that x minus y, then bar bracket will be written like this, x minus y bar. Okay, x minus y bar. This is the smallest bracket. Then next is round bracket, next is curly bracket, and then next is square bracket. These are four types of brackets in mathematics. First of all, we always solve bar bracket. If it is not present, then we solve round bracket, then we solve curly bracket, and then at last we always solve square bracket. Okay, there is no bar bracket in this statement. Here is round bracket. Here round bracket is used. So first of all we will solve the round bracket, but it cannot be solved. X minus 2y, we cannot solve it because these are unlike terms. Okay, so open this bracket. In the first step we will open this bracket. another terms will be written as it is, and when we open this bracket, if there is negative sign before the bracket, then we always change the signs of terms which are in bracket. Here is minus sign before bracket, so we will change the signs of all terms in the bracket. Now change its signs. X will become minus x and minus 2y will become plus 2y. Okay. Next we will solve curly bracket. Another terms will be written as it is, and in the curly bracket there are given some terms x minus z minus x plus 2y. Here x and minus x, these are like terms, so solve them. X minus x will be 0, so it will be cancelled out. Then minus z and plus 2y are left, so write them here, minus z plus 2y. And we cannot solve minus z and 2y because these are unlike terms. Then next is 3x minus 4y minus, now we will open this curly bracket. Now we will open this curly bracket, and there is negative sign before the bracket, so that signs of all the terms will be changed which are in bracket. Okay, so minus z will be changed into plus z and plus 2y will be changed into minus 2y. Okay, and another terms will be written as it is. Then we will solve this bracket. 3x minus 4y minus 3x, there is no term that has x, so write here 3x, and minus 2y and minus 2y are like terms, so we will solve them. Minus 2 is minus 4, so we will write here minus 4y. Then next is z. Now we cannot solve this bracket because all these terms are unlike terms. Okay, so we will open this square bracket, and before the bracket there is negative sign, then we will change the sign of all the terms. 3x minus 4y, here 3x is positive, then it will become negative. Minus 3x, then minus 4y is here, it will be changed into plus 4y. Then plus z will be changed into minus z. Okay, now we will solve this. Here is 3x and here is minus 3x, these are like terms, so 3x minus 3x will be 0, it will be cancelled out. Then next is minus 4y and plus 4y are like terms, minus 4 and plus 4 will be 0, so these are also cancelled out, and minus z is left, so answer is minus z. This is addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Thank you.